Hello! We're going to Anaheim today for our Thanksgiving. Oh, it's too cold. Pero I have my own sweater. It's cold na pero naka-sleeveless ko. Oh. Woo! My bag. Hurry up, Papa! He's sleeping. Oh, it's cold. I have my boots in the car. Bye, Papa! Love you! Love you, Papito! Oh, my eyeglass.
You clutch your sweater away?
Ayun na pangilabot yan. My jacket is there in the car and my boots.
You may go, haircut, Oh, you putang ina.
Basta kami lagi, basta na yung mga party-party, dugay, lagi may kayo makagawas lagi. Wala, katugnaw sa kuntiil. Nag-sleeper ako, oh. Kay, dili man ko comfortably mag-drive ka ng naikuan, magsapatos. So, we're going to Anaheim. Thanks for watching. Peace out.